Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on ByBit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the BitSquad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or ByBit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's October 21st, 2021. My name is Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. And this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. FOMO index is up to 84 from yesterday's 82. Bitcoin dominance is at 46.7%. 24-hour volume is at 121 billion. And the overall market cap is 2.64 trillion, which I believe is an all-time high. Give or take 100 million. Over on the 4-hour chart, after a massive 3,000 candle from 63.8 to 66.9, some of my phone apps say 67K, but we'll take either or. We cooled the jets and retraced down towards the 20 moving average. Just to let it know we're still thinking about it. Just because we hit all-time highs, we're now the talk of the town. Town population being 2% of humanity. We still got you. It's not changing us. We're still Jenny from the block. Although I liken the 20 moving average to Lester Diamond, Sharon Stone's on-screen hustler boyfriend, played by the handsome and charismatic Jimbo Woods. Lester's constantly leeching from Ginger and holding her back, phoning her on her wedding night. After Ginger got off the phone at about 64K, Ace Rothstein dragged price action back up to the reception at 66K. Over on the daily, it's bullduggery as per usual. As we cruise through uncharted price discovery altitudes, it's hard to see the clouds until we're in them. That's kind of how this whole TA thing works. Comparing where we've been to where we may go based on historical data. Cycles and patterns, but we've never been here before. So we're making up some rules as we go. The MACD says Bob's your uncle with a nice looking spread. However, the RSI is like that annoying accountant telling you that you don't have enough cake in the bank to cash that check. As we head up towards 80. There's the broken record again. We spend most of our time in overbought territory in price discovery mode, so let's not take a hairy spaz about it. Over on the weekly, just eyeballing the candles, you can get the feeling that we're rounding the bell curve. But it's early in the week, and I expect this candle to get to 72K. Oh, Matty B, 72K this week. Down tootin'. So what we can expect numbers-wise? I went downtown and met with the extrapolatrix, and she said 72K has a high probability of the next point of resistance in Consolidation Lounge. So I'll keep my eye on it. One of the more bizarre human emotions is a term called schadenfreude. It's when we experience a slight feeling of pleasure in someone else's pain. But it's a low-hanging fruit emotion, usually tied into one's own shadow feelings of self-esteem or lack thereof. So as enlightened early adopters into the next phase of humanity, equality, and freedom from legacy, financial nincompoopery, Schadenfreude doesn't affect us the way it would, say, affect the bears. And as such, it's times like these that are perfect opportunities to share the information. And now I'm kind of sounding like a cult leader. But keep on dropping those diamonds into the ears of the 98% who are asleep or in chains. They may not have been listening before, but I guarantee you they're listening now, so remember. We're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's a long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. A BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Hey,
This is Sam Rothstein. I want to talk to Jen.